Popularized as the Lexus RX for less, the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia makes a strong case for itself, with a suite of premium features and a refined driving experience. Of course, that's possible thanks to Toyota's tried and tested reliability and commitment to delivering value in a stylish package. Let's explore all the reasons why and how this luxury Toyota disrupts the auto market. A safe bet with trusted reliability and easy maintenance. The Crown Signia comes with a very familiar engine which is not new by any stretch, the A25A FXS. It's powered by a 2.5-liter A25A FXS naturally aspirated inline-4 engine paired with Toyota's hybrid system. Together, the powertrain produces a combined output of 243 horsepower sent to all four wheels via an eCVT transmission and electronic all-wheel drive (AWDI). The hybrid system is a parallel series setup with a power control unit (PCU) managing the two motor generators in the transmission and the rear electric motor for all-wheel drive. In simpler words, the Crown Signia's hybrid system combines elements of both parallel and series hybrid designs. The system is definitely not new, but it has been continuously refined, which makes it highly reliable. And we know, Toyotas are no strangers to reliability. As mentioned earlier, the transmission is an eCVT, specifically the P810, which is known for its strength and reliability. It's been used in models like the Sienna and Highlander hybrids. Now here's the fun part. Despite being a hybrid, the Crown Signia can tow up to 2,700 pounds, not bad at all. What's worth mentioning is the electric on-demand all-wheel drive, which can send up to 80% of power to the rear wheels for better traction and control when needed. Otherwise, it operates in front-wheel drive mode to optimize fuel efficiency. This system ensures stability whether you're dealing with slick roads or taking sharp corners. Moreover, Toyota has incorporated high-quality elements typically found in several Lexus models, such as an upgraded engine cover and advanced hood hinges for pedestrian protection. And since it's made in Japan, the build quality is definitely praiseworthy. Good old Toyota reliability. Now on to something that most car novices dread, which is maintenance. Lucky for you, maintenance on the Crown Signia is refreshingly straightforward. There's no alternator, no starter, and no drive belt to worry about. Just pour in Toyota's ultra-thin 0W8 oil, and you're good to go. It's a bit pricey if you're buying straight from Toyota, but at nearly 40 miles per gallon, consider it worth it. Toyota is all about reliance. The suspension setup borrows from the RAV4, with steel lower control arms, aluminum knuckles, and dual piston calipers ensuring solid braking and durability. Some maintenance points are tucked behind panels, but it's nothing too crazy, just smart engineering to keep things clean and efficient. By sticking to what they know best and using reliable components rather than reinventing the wheel, Toyota has created a well-built and highly dependable hybrid crossover. Far from track champion speed, the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia isn't built for raw speed, but it delivers solid performance for a hybrid crossover. With the new Crown Signia, the focus is on fuel efficiency, nearly 40 miles per gallon, good power delivery, and everyday comfort rather than outright acceleration. The eCVT transmission ensures a smooth ride, but under hard acceleration, you'll probably hear the engine working hard. Not your average Toyota interior. The cabin of the Crown Signia is a league above your usual run-of-the-mill Toyota. You get leather-trimmed front seats, an 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat with memory, and heated and ventilated seats. It's a cozy place to be, but Toyota did cut some corners. For instance, there are no passenger-side storage shelves and no front bin for loose items. For family usage, it can be a bit restrictive too. Cargo space is important, sure, but it also needs to be functional. In the rear, things stay more comfortable. With 37 inches of legroom and 38 inches of headroom, passengers won't feel cramped even if they're on the taller end. The heated rear seats, USB-C ports, and rear air vents make long drives easy breezy. One drawback we can't help but point out is that the rear seats don't recline. But hey, at least you won't have backseat drivers getting too comfortable and demanding control of the aux. Overall, the cargo space is massive 68.8 cubic feet with the second row seats folded flat. That's plenty of room for something as mundane as groceries, or something exciting like storing your camping equipment, or even an impulsive weekend IKEA haul. A quite Lexus-y exterior. Sure, it's a very good point A to point B car, and there's a lot that's good, pristine, and reliable about it, but there's not a lot that screams new or modern. If you're a novelty seeker or an early adopter, this car will disappoint you. But if you're a fan of the tried and tested classics that have been further improved and excelled on, this is the car for you. At first glance, the Crown Signia's exterior has visibly Lexus-inspired design elements. The limited trim of the Crown Signia comes with LED projector headlights that include auto-level control, automatic high beams AHB, and auto on-off function. The XLE trim also has LED projector headlights with AHB and auto on-off features, but without auto-level control. The SUV wagon hybrid design is unique. The full-length LED taillights, a sleek spoiler, and gloss black trim tying it all together. The ground clearance is under 7 inches, so we wouldn't really recommend opting for this vehicle if you're an off-roader. The XLE trim features 19-inch multi-spoke two-tone alloy wheels, while the limited trim upgrades to 21-inch wheels, with a stunning dark gray metallic alloy. Both trims include low-profile roof rails for a streamlined design. For the ones who are fans of quieter rides, Toyota has got you covered with noise-reducing glass for the windshield and front side windows, along with high solar energy-absorbing HSEA glass for better comfort. It looks way more upscale than a Highlander. The body-colored grille has a textured finish and gloss black accents. The car is available in colors like black, a smokier dark color called Storm Cloud, Bronze Age, Oxygen White, and for the daring folks, a bright finish line red. Despite its SUV classification, the Crown Signia leans toward an almost wagon-like profile. Its lower ground clearance of fewer than 7 inches emphasizes a sportier stance. Swing back to the rear, and smart, full-length LED taillights and gloss black trim tie the design together. Talk about bold and simple. The new Crown gets a 10 out of 10 for safety. Toyota sure didn't skimp on the technology in this car. The optional advanced tech package includes a bunch of features that not only improve your driving experience through convenience, but also provide peace of mind that you and your loved ones are in safe hands or wheels. But how exactly is Toyota doing that? Well, by adding features such as a panoramic view monitor and lane change assist, Toyota is making driving a breeze. The panoramic view monitor provides a 360-degree bird's-eye view of the surroundings, so thankfully parallel parking won't be as daunting as it used to be. Moreover, lane change assist helps with smoother and safer lane changes, and traffic jam assist reduces stress for those post-work 5 p.m. rush hour jams. While on the topic of traffic, the optional advanced tech package also comes with front cross traffic alert, which warns about vehicles approaching from the sides, reducing the risk of collisions at those pesky intersections. The outer mirrors with puddle lights and a reverse tilt-down feature improve visibility at night and while reversing. But enough about the optional specs. The standard technology features apart from the advanced package aren't too shabby either. The blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert keeps you safer on the road by warning you when a vehicle enters your blind spot. And when reversing, rear cross traffic alert is nothing short of a godsend. Toyota's smart key system makes unlocking effortless, and with 5 USB-C ports, Qi-compatible vertical wireless charging, and a dual-zone automatic climate control system, it's clear that Toyota engineers prioritize convenience. That said, while it lacks full hands-free driving capabilities like Tesla's or even Ford's Blue Cruise, it still outshines rivals like the Honda Passport and Hyundai Santa Fe. Overall, on the technology and safety front, the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia gets a decent score. Price and warranty. Prices for the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia XLE begin at a modest $43,590 and go all the way up to $47,990 for the more bespoke limited trims that offer goodies like an 11-speaker JBL premium sound system that's surely worth the premium. Still, Toyota backs the Crown Signia with a 10-year, 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty, which should put any reliability concerns to rest. The hybrid system warranty lasts 8 years, 100,000 miles, while the basic warranty covers 3 years, 36,000 miles. In short, Toyota's betting this thing will last. And rightfully so, because it's got a lot of reliable features. While it doesn't quite match the Lexus RX in refinement, it comes impressively close and at a much lower price. There are no overcomplicated features or gimmicks. It's a simple, refined, and elegant car that will make you smile because you're not paying the kind of fortune you would for a Lexus, yet you still get a high level of luxury. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more.